Hello all. As a continuation of my lecture series about special electrical machines, we are discussing about other types of motors, in which we are going to discuss in particular about servo motor in this video. So we are going to deal about introduction, appliances, classifications, and we are going to see the difference between AC servo and DC servo motor. Coming to introduction, a servo motor is a small device which has an output shaft positions on coded signal. Servo motors are also called control motors. These are used in feedback control systems as output actuators and does not use for continuous energy conversion. A servo motor is a rotary actuator that allows for precise control of angular velocity and acceleration. The principle of servo motor is similar to that of order of electromagnetic motor, but the construction and the operations are different. So this is about the introduction of servo motor. Coming to construction, see, this is a picture of internal structure of a servo motor where it has a stator, a rotor, shaft, bearings, windings and motor cable. This is motor cable and this is the structure of the motor. Coming to AC servo motor, it is an AC motor that includes encoder which is used with controllers for giving closed loop control and feedback. So this motor is operated in closed loop with help of a controller. This motor can be placed to high accuracy and also controlled precisely as compulsory for the applications. Frequently, these motors have higher designs of tolerance. So here we have a detailed picture of encoder connector, encoder cover, housing, that is outer cover, frame, bearing cap, shaft, flange and power connectors. So this is the construction structure of AC servo motor. So coming to the applications, it is used in tracking and guidance systems and they are used in radar system and process control. Coming to classification of servo motors, that basically a servo motor is divided into two, AC servo motor and DC servo motor, and two-phase AC servo motor and three-phase AC servo motor. So in AC servo we have another two types which is called as two-phase AC servo and three-phase AC servo motor. This is about classification of servo motor. And coming to difference between AC servo motor and DC servo motor, first we have AC servo motor and DC, where AC efficiency is low compared to DC, whereas in DC servo motor efficiency is high. And coming to the output, AC servo it is low power output and in DC high power output. And coming to AC, it requires less maintenance, whereas in DC it requires frequent maintenance of the system. AC servo less stability problems will be having, but in DC servo system more stability problems are there. And in AC servo smooth operation, but in DC noisy operation. And in AC servo it has non-linear characteristics, whereas in DC servo it has linear characteristics. So this is the basic difference between AC servo motor and DC servo motor. So as we have already discussed, both the AC in AC series motor also we had two inputs to give, where we can use both AC and DC as input for a series AC series motor, whereas in servo motor also we have both the options, like we can use AC and DC. Coming to advantages of servo motor: high output power relative to motor size and power, resonance and vibration free operation can be achieved, high efficiency and high speed operation is possible. So these are the advantages of servo motor. So in this video, we have discussed about another type of other motor called servo motor, where it has a similar way of shaft, rotor and windings and encoder cables. This is of two types, AC servo and DC servo motor. Coming to AC servo motor is again divided into two types called two-phase AC and three-phase AC servo motor. Coming to advantages, it is high output power relative to motor size and power, resonance and vibration free operation, high efficiency and high speed operation is possible. So these are all some of the advantages of servo motor. Thank you.